Friends, let me ask y'all, if your biscuits or your cereals tend to soften up or get soggy over time, what do y'all do? Do y'all throw it right away or do y'all keep it aside till it becomes more soft? Well, I'm joking, but actually, if cereals turn soggy, they are not any more good enough to eat. But then you can make them turn crispy by placing them in a microwave like this. However, when you put them in microwave, you all have to see that in every 10 seconds or 15 seconds you will remove the plate out from the microwave. Now let's wait for the first 10 seconds to finish. There. Now these cereals are really hot. Let's give it some time to just cool down a bit. You do not need to cool them down a lot, just a bit, because then again we will be putting it in the microwave. If there's very little quantity of cereal or biscuit, you all can just do this in 1 or 2 rounds. That would be more than enough. If the quantity is more, the heat needs to be divided on the full plate. That's why we need to keep it for 2 or 3 times or more. So here again I have removed it second time. It will still feel soft. It does not feel hard. I'm even testing it. It's still feeling soft. That's why you'll have to keep it in again. Now the biscuit seems fine, as you could hear the noise. But the cereals are not yet done. So I'll place them for the third time in the microwave. Once done, for another 10 to 15 seconds, remove it out, and now you're going to let it cool down nicely. Once it is cooled down nicely, let me show you what it feels like. Heard the noise? Heard the sound? That's what it should be, crispy. Exactly. One more. There. Even the biscuit, which was fine already, sounds good. This also is good enough. So, do let me know how did you all like this hack. For more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.